Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt the Bat. Today I'm going to show you our clubhouse. Yeah, our clubhouse. So let's go.
See if we could even get into there.
Yeah, we just had heard that tornado like we were saying. Just uploaded a few minutes ago.
And it's so hot, and we have no air conditioning because the power's out, and it's like 90 degrees out. Really humid. It sucks.
Whoa, look at that crane over there. That has never even been there. They're probably lifting something.
That's
big
weird.
tree or something. Alright guys, well, we're going to try to get back here.
We're gonna try. That's a tree that fell right there. This should be a walkway. And a tree just fell on top of it. It's like a jungle.
Our clubhouse is really cool if we can get back to it. Ah, watch out. It's going to deflect back. Okay. Oh, ow. Alright. Okay. This is our club.
Whoa, look at all this.
Wow.
Oh my god, look at that tree, Matt.
I've never been here. Let's see
If I could get a picture, like, hold on, let me show them. If you can see that, that's a whole tree that just fell.
Man, let's see if we can go.
Look, you can see up there, branches are falling.
See if we can go another way.
You gotta be careful we don't have a big branch fall on us.
Okay, let's go a little low. Watch out for stickers. Good thing we made this extra path. In case someone doesn't see. Oh god.
I want to get up there on that tree. Here, let me go first. I'll get in.
Alright, you wanna go for that one? YouTube, sorry about the shaking so much.
Yeah.
We will stop that in a minute.
Ah, see the tree?
Huh?
Nah, I'm talking to YouTube. Oh god. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get over this branch. It's very hard.
You wanna make it over here, YouTube?
Alright, I made it. Okay, there's Matt. And yeah, that whole tree fell. And I'm gonna try and get on it.
Oh my gosh, that's so weird.
Okay. Alright. Holy shit. You guys should see the size of this tree compared to my foot. Yeah, it's pretty big.
Oh, I'll show you the clubhouse.
Yeah, the clubhouse is back there.
Going. Okay.
And yeah. Yep, this whole tree just fell. That's crazy. 80-mile-per-hour wind. Scary. Now I'm gonna attempt to get down. It's not that hard. What the fuck? I almost fell really hard.
Let's pull this thing back.
Ooh. Oh man, I miss these days. This is our clubhouse.
We're over.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm not distracted.
Yeah, this used to be our clubhouse, guys.
Look at that.
And look, it got destroyed.
Look at all that grew. Oh man. That's crazy.
Scary.
Ah, bugs. But yeah, it's kind of like packed in. Everything's like good about it. That has never been there. We've just
all
never
the
been back.
green, they used to be open.
I think it was pretty nice. But yeah, that's our clubhouse, our little adventure about the
And yeah.
tornado. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Matt the Bat. See ya.